Hi everyone, Miss Rome here to teach you a little bit more about Canvas and how to use one of the most crucial features of Canvas, the modules. Modules are a way for teachers to organize and sequence assignments by week or by unit. They show you exactly what you need to do in order to get the best grade possible, learn all of the required material, and acquire mastery level for each skill we learn in class. First, I'll teach you how to locate the modules. The module page should be your main page for our English class. If it's not for some reason, all you need to do is go to the left-hand side of the screen and click Module. This is where all your assignments and their due dates will be. Your calendar will show you when everything is due, but the module will explain each assignment in detail and how you will submit the work. So once you're in the module section, you'll see the modules. As you can see, they are grouped by unit in our English class. So we have the first week for our first week of class, and then we actually start on our first text, which will be House on Mango Street. So each assignment under the header is a task or assignment that needs to be completed. To the left is the name of the assignment, and to the right is what you need to do for the assignment to be considered completed. Sometimes you will simply just need to open the page and read what's written to have the assignment be considered complete. Sometimes you will need to mark the item as done. Other times you will need to earn a certain score on an assignment. As I told you guys before, if you do not reach the mastery level of a certain skill, you will be asked to resubmit until you have reached mastery level. So let's look at the first assignment. When you click on it, you get a description of the assignment. Here, all you have to do is watch a video and mark it as done. So you watch the video. Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Rome's CP1. You watch it all the way through, and then in the upper right-hand corner, you click the Mark as Done button. It'll look like this first, and then you click on it, and it'll be marked as done. Now, two things. One, make sure that you're signed into Canvas with your username and password. Otherwise, you will not be able to mark things as done or submit assignments. Two, resist the urge to simply just mark it as done. Our assignments build on one another. If you want to know the information for assignments 2 and 3, you have to know the information from assignment 1. No work in this class is simply busy work. It's all been carefully selected and considered essential for mastery of skills. So after we mark is done and go back to the main module page, we can see a green check mark and a new message that says marked done. This ensures that you've actually completed the assignment. Let's go to the next assignment. But this is very important to note. The modules have been set up so that you cannot move on to the next assignment before completing the one before it. This means that you must complete each and every assignment on time for you to keep up with the class. Don't fear though. You can always text your classmates for help if you get stuck, or you can email me questions if you're confused. I always check my emails, and no question is ever too small or too obvious. I'm here to help you through each module. So now let's go down to the last assignment for this first module. Here you have to submit a SMART goal for marking period 1, and it says that you must score at least a 12 on this assignment. Notice how when you click on it, you get all these links. All of these were put here for a reason, so it's your job to click through them, download them, save them first in a safe spot for future reference. Once you're ready to actually submit an assignment, you go to the right-hand corner and click the blue button, Submit Assignment. Remember, you have to be signed in or this button will not be there. Then you click Choose File, find the file you want, click Open, and hit Submit Assignment. For some assignments, the Turnitin application on Canvas will be enabled. This is to ensure that everyone is submitting their own individual work. Now please listen carefully. It is okay to discuss assignments with friends and bounce ideas off one another, but you are not allowed to submit the same work and justify it by saying that you work together. Working together and submitting the same work are not the same thing. Submitting the same work is plagiarism and will result in a 0. Submitting work that is the same but has simply reworded a few words is also plagiarism and will also receive a 0. Your ideas must be completely your own unless you cite your source and say where the ideas originally came from. Okay, let's look at a few different submitting scenarios. We've seen how to submit a file. Sometimes I'll ask you to watch a video too, as we've seen. Sometimes, like here, you will be asked to scroll through a Prezi. Or read through an article. Or take a quiz, which includes an access code which I will give you at the time of the quiz. Sometimes, as with this mastery assessment, you will be asked to submit a URL. I'm asking you here to submit a URL link to your annotations on an article that you've chosen to closely read. So once you're on the article you want to annotate, and I'm going to annotate an article about ice cream, you're going to click the Diigo button on your browser and click Annotate. And you're going to hit the highlight icon if there's something that you want to highlight. And remember, you can change the color as well. Or if you want to add your own notes in the margins, you click the sticky note button. And click Save. And you can drag this wherever you'd like to. And once you're done annotating, you go to Diigo.com and sign in. And you will see all your annotations and sticky notes and highlights here. So if you want to submit a URL for the assignment, and this is the article that you chose to closely read, you hover over, and as you can see, these 4 icons pop up. Okay? Then you hover over the Share button, and you click Get Annotated Link. You copy it. You go back to Canvas, and you paste it in. You click button for this assignment submission is my own original work, and you click Submit Assignment. Okay. I can see that the submission has been turned in because this is turned in with a green check mark. I can look at the submission details. I can see when I submitted the assignment. I can resubmit the assignment in case I submitted the wrong file or I decide to update the file. And then I can see the link that I actually submitted. And this is what I will be looking at to grade you. As you can see, the annotations are here, and I can read all your sticky notes. So that is how you use the modules for Canvas.